Rabgel stance?
Ang napag-usapan po namin, actually there are 2 episodes dedicated to Rabgel, and then the other 2 episodes is solo namin.
Solo na.
So it's the first time that Viva is doing something like that. Kasi diba yung anthology is for a singular artist. Kami po yung first na nag-love team sa anthology, and then may solo sa anthology.
Oh, wow.
So parang
exciting.
pinag-usapan namin dito na talaga dapat galingan namin dito kasi mapapakita namin yung iba't ibang genre talaga per episode.
Sa akin po, ang genre ng sa akin is rom-com.
Sa akin, comedy talaga kaya nahirapan po ako. Si Kuya Gerald Napoles po yung kasama ko dito. Kaya sobrang na-challenge po ako.
Wait lang.
We've discussed this actually. We're open to more jobs kahit solos. Pero ang importante, we keep coming back to Rabgel.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Wait,
Rabgel, how will this anthology elevate your artistry as Robin and Angela?
I think this is our moment to show people na we're maturing as actors. Kasi this time na-prepare na po kami with veteran actors. And it's an honor kasi masho-showcase namin kung ano po yung kaya namin pong gawin.
Dito po namin talaga sa project na to mas maipapakita kung ano talagang, kung kaya na ba namin. Diba? Tsaka dito po kami nabigyan ng pagkakataon na mas matuto dahil mas veterano po yung mga kasama namin artista dito.
Nakaka-premium kasi pag anthology.
Oo.
Diba?
bongga.
Actually,
Parang
parang
wala
wala.
naman po.
They're happy for us. They're very
Supportado po
supportive.
sila kahit na hindi kami magkasama or magkasama kami. Dahil alam naman po nila na magsasama at magsasama kami.
Because we reassure them that kahit may iba kaming projects, we're always gonna be there for each other. And that's what we want for our fans as well. We want them to support us no matter what. Kasi we love them din naman. No?